ના વાપરતા હો.
હા, તમારી વાત તો સાચી હો.
પણ આયર, આ તાળીઓ પાડવામાં કઈ પૈસા પડે?
તો તાળીઓના ગડગડાટ થઈ જાય.
આયર, આ લ્યો દૂધનો હિસાબ. જોઈ લ્યો જરાક બરાબર છે ને?
અરે આય રાણી, મને ક્યાં હિસાબ કરતા આવડે છે? હું તો અભણ માણસ. એક સાચી વાત કહું તો મારા પપ્પા મને નિશાળે મૂકી ગયા અને ઈ ઘેર મૂકે ઈ પેલા તો ઓલો માસ્તર જ મને ઘેર મૂકી ગયો. તો હવે મને હિસાબ આવડે?
તો હવે આ હિસાબ હું કોની પાસે કરાવું? આયર, ભલે આપણે અભણ રહ્યા પણ આપણે આપણા બાળકોને ખૂબ ભણાવવા છે, કારણ કે આ જમાનામાં ભણતર વગર છુટકારો જ નથી. તો આવી જ ભણતર વિશેની સ્પીચ લઈને આવી રહી છે ધોરણ 12ની વિદ્યાર્થીનીઓ ત્રિવેદી પ્રિયાંશી અને વણઝારિયા સેજલ. તેમના શબ્દો છે એજ્યુકેશન.
Oh, hi Priyanshi.
Oh, hi Sejal, how are you?
I am good. And you?
Same here. What's about the study?
Board exam is coming soon, so in March, read it and practice. What about yours?
Just nice. Much and much doing to get more and more marks.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, the audience is here. Let's introduce ourselves first.
Oh, yeah. Hello everyone. Myself Sejal Ganzaria from Standard 12 Commerce.
And myself Trivedi Priyanshi from Standard 12 Commerce.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our cultural program.
Hey Sejal, have you ever thought about the importance of education in our lives?
Absolutely. Education is like the foundation for our everything we do. It shapes our future and makes opportunities.
I couldn't agree anymore, but you know, not everyone has access to high quality education.
That's true. Education shouldn't be a privilege. Education should be a basic right for everyone.
Exactly. It's not just about getting degrees. It's about gaining knowledge, critical thinking skills, and understanding around us.
Right. Education empowers to make us informed decisions, solve problems, and contribute to positively to society.
And let's not forget the role of teachers. They play a crucial part in shaping young minds and inspiring the students to reach their full potential.
Absolutely. Teachers are beacons of knowledge and guidance. We owe them a lot for dedication and hard work.
So it's clear that investing in education is investing in future of our society. We need to ensure that education is accessible, inclusive, and around the goal of high quality.
Agreed. It's collective responsibility to prioritize education and provide equal opportunities for individuals to learn and grow.
Let's try to make them educated with high quality education.
Yeah, we must. Thank you everyone.